with us. I hope you have more good health and yes. Oh, it's not bad. All right. So may you have many more birthdays to come. Thank you for working up with us all the time. All right. So guys, make a wish before you blow the candle.